Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to install Windows 7 on your computer. In this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 7 from scratch. Step 1. Download Windows 7 ISO file. The first step in the installation process is to download the Windows 7 ISO file. You can download this file from Microsoft's official website or from a trusted third-party website. Step 2. Create bootable USB or DVD. Once you have downloaded the ISO file, you need to create a bootable USB or DVD. You can use a tool like Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. Alternatively, you can use the built-in Windows Disk Image Burner to create a bootable DVD. Step 3. Boot from USB or DVD. Insert the bootable USB or DVD into your computer and restart it. During the boot process, press the appropriate key to enter the boot menu. This key may vary depending on your computer manufacturer, but it's typically F2, F10, F12, or Dell. Once you enter the boot menu, select your USB or DVD drive and press enter. Step 4. Install Windows 7. Once you've successfully booted from your USB or DVD, you'll see the Windows 7 installation screen. Select your language, time and currency format, and keyboard input method, and click on Next. On the next screen, click on Install Now. You'll be prompted to enter your product key, which is a 25-character code that comes with your Windows 7 purchase. Enter the product key and click on Next. Accept the license terms and click on Next. On the next screen, select the Custom, Advanced installation option. Step 5. Partition the hard drive. Now you need to partition your hard drive. If you're installing Windows 7 on a new hard drive, you can simply select the unallocated space and click on Next. If you're installing Windows 7 on a hard drive that already has an operating system, you need to create a new partition by clicking on the Drive Options, Advanced link. Step 6. Install Windows 7. Once you've partitioned your hard drive, click on Next to start the installation process. The installation process will take some time, so be patient. Your computer will restart a few times during the installation process. Step 7. Set up Windows 7. After the installation process is complete, you'll be prompted to set up Windows 7. You need to select your time zone, configure your network settings, and create a user account. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to start using Windows 7. Conclusion: congratulations, you have successfully installed Windows 7 on your computer. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.